Wee! Oh my. Alright. Let's start over. Alright guys, so I found a badge that I really like. Let's just say, it looks like this. It looks like that. And I really want it. I just really want it. So that's why I'm trying to get it. And I need 5,000 views in separate videos in total in the last 28 days. And I just started this secret channel. So I just this is gonna be 10 times harder. It's like getting 10,000 views when you only have 300 subs. So yeah guys, that's why I need your help. I just need your help, yeah. But guys, send this to all your friends, so I can get 5,000 views. Please guys, make this go viral actually. Guys, look. Oh my, give me the camera. Look. Wait. Oh, there you go. Someone taught me that. Yes, I'm at 2,000. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video off here. And yeah guys, bye.